Okay, Miles Togo lifts a 5 kilogram mass. It's miles to go. Do you get it? All right. 5 kilogram mass, increasing its potential energy by 135 joules. Through what gravitational potential do you move it? So work is, by the way, going to stand in for potential energy. In fact, if you look in the data packet, there's actually a formula that is potential energy is mass times the gravitational potential. But anyway, so let's see. That is going to be mass times change in gravitational potential. So 5.00 kilograms. And then this is what we're trying to solve for, right? And then the work is 135 joules. Okay, so 135 divided by 5 is 27 exactly, right? Okay, so change in voltage, or change in gravitational potential. I always want to call it voltage, but it's not. It's 27.0, and then it's joules divided by kilograms. Ta-da.